Measuring for horizontal blinds is simple. It's just 2 easy steps. In this short video, you will see just how easy it is to measure for an inside mount. Inside mount refers to a blind that is mounted on the inside of your window frame. This type of mount is by far the most common choice and is highly recommended. An outside mount is typically used in only 2 situations: if there are obstructions inside of your window frame, such as an alarm sensor, or if your window frame lacks sufficient mounting depth to hold your blind. Our website provides details on how much depth is required to install your blinds with an inside mount. In most cases, the depth that you will need is only a few inches. When measuring for any window covering, it's important to use a steel measuring tape and round to the nearest 1/8 of an inch increment. Your first step is to measure the width of your window, rounding down to the nearest 1/8 inch increment after taking each measurement. Begin by measuring the inside width of your window opening in 3 places: top, middle, and bottom. After recording your 3 measurements, select the narrowest one. This will be the width you will order. Please do not make any deductions to this measurement. The factory will make your blind slightly narrower so that it can properly move up and down within your window. Your second step is to measure the exact height of the window opening in 3 places: left, middle, and right. Choose the tallest measurement. This is the height you will order. Now that you have completed these 2 simple steps, you're ready to place your order. It's that easy.